Greetings and welcome back to another Control Storm video. If you don't know me, or even if you do, and you've been watching my content lately, you're probably thinking, this guy's totally off his rocker. I've been talking about terminals, dashboards, automation tools, AI agents, and slowly connecting them all together like some kind of engineering conspiracy board. And honestly, that's not completely wrong. The reason is that I keep running into the same question. As AI agents get more capable, how do we actually control them? Because once these systems can write code, run tools, modify files, and automate workflows without you prompting them, it stops being a toy and starts being a problem pretty quickly. And that's exactly what led to this Jarvis project. Jarvis is an experiment in something I'm calling verifiable automation. Instead of letting AI agents directly execute tasks, Jarvis routes every action through a structured control plane. Proposal, approval, execution, receipt, and trace. Every action becomes something that you can observe, verify, and replay later. And when I started working on Jarvis, I realized something about most of the programming content online is that it focuses mostly on watching someone type code for hours. And the interesting part of building isn't the typing, it's the thinking. Why the architecture looks the way it does, why certain decisions get made, what changes when the original decision doesn't survive contact with reality. So instead of making coding tutorials, I decided to document the process as a builder series. So you can think of it less like a tutorial and more like a mission log for building complex systems in real time. Every episode in the Jarvis Builder Series will follow the same structure: plan, build, and debrief. The plan comes first. Each episode starts with a mission briefing: what we're building, why it matters, and how it fits into the overall architecture. Then we jump into the build itself. But instead of recording hours of coding, we focus on the interesting engineering moments, the architectural decisions, the unexpected problems, and the changes that happen when the original design inevitably has to evolve. Finally, every episode ends with a debrief: what worked, what broke, and what we learned, and what the next mission will be. Right now, we'll be starting with the control plane, the infrastructure needed to safely execute automated actions. Things like ingress events, approval gating, execution engines, action receipts, and trace timelines. Later phases will expand into things like agent orchestration, real-time activity visualization, and something I'm experimenting called agent view. Basically like watching an autonomous agent work like an ant colony. So to kind of circle back around on why I'm looking like a crazy person out here building systems in public, there's a couple reasons. Number one, building systems in public forces clarity. And number two, when you try to explain architecture decisions out loud, you quickly discover whether the idea actually makes sense or not. It also creates a record of the process, and most software projects look polished after they're finished, but the real engineering journey is usually a lot messier than that. Jarvis is still in early development, but the foundation is already in place. And over the coming missions, we'll keep expanding the system one piece at a time. If you're interested in it, AI systems, automation architecture, developer tools, or just watching something ambitious get built, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Jarvis Builder Series.